Alright guys, welcome to BMW Motorrad Day. First time namin to na maka-attend ng BMW Motorrad. Usually, in-organize to sa Germany. Swerte natin kasi na-experience natin ito dito sa Thailand. All the bikes na nandito guys, puro BMW. Iba-iba pa yung mga obstacle nila. Meron sila yung off-road riding doon. They're using the new models of the BMW. Nag-enjoy to. Napakaraming naka-display dito. Mga gulong, Michelin, mga helmets, jackets, swabs, Pirelli. We have a 360. Yeah, Metas tire. Wunderlich. We also have a Chigi. Chigi X5 sample. Plug and play Chigi. BMW Motorcycle Club Thailand.